Hey again everybody. Today I'm going to show you a quick corner detail for any paving stone installation. We're going to use a standard Holland paver and we're going to split it in half to start. So just a simple cut right in half, that way you can use the other half later. And then I'm just going to line up these two pavers beside each other and then the third one on top, and just make sure it's all nice and square before we get too carried away. And from there we're going to start to mark it out. So any marking tool you choose. I'm just going to transfer that intersection between the half one and the full one up to that corner right there and make a mark. And make a mark right on the corner as well on both of those bricks, underneath and on top. And on that one as well, right at the intersection. So just be as precise as you can. That'll make that corner really nice and crisp. And we're just going to cut those. I like to use an IQ Power Tools dustless saw. IQ MS 362 is mine. Really love it. And then we're just going to line it up and make sure it's nice and square and fits really nice together, and that seam is really consistent. So we're going to take a pretty standard Holland corner and put a nice detail on it. It's as simple as that. Check you later.